Okay, hey pilgrims, it's me, Travis Carper, Ascension Guide, Holistic Health Coach. Yeah. Um, Also, just a reminder here. Those are just titles like math teacher, janitor, starseed. So you know, those are just titles, not limiting to the whole. You are a multi-dimensional light being. So, um, yeah. So there's a lot more dimensions to you. Okay. Also, I wanted to talk a little bit about the home and making like a sacred space and stuff. Now, all of the most of the like American wooden box homes and stuff. Now, notice the sockets, the electricity comes in, and what we called back in the day when I did some PV design and installation. Anyways, it's called phantom loads. So the electricity is running all through your house, right? And it's surrounding you, it's boxing you in basically. So think about that electrical field too that's inside the box of your house. And lights, refrigerator, and what that hum and what that makes, and the frequency of that refrigerator. The frequency inside of a microwave oven, really, I'm just going to say it outright, it's not good. Microwave oven's not good. It kills the food, it kills the nutrients in your food. So, if you have to cook, like I usually just cook a little bit in a wok or something. If I cook food, I try to eat a lot of raw foods and stuff to get the nutrients. That's what I'm talking about here. Instead of, we're talking about frequency and nutrients here, nutrient rich. Because if you have a healthy body and mind, you can and work on some meditation and stuff. You can. Get your spirit healthy and line it up with the cosmic centers of what's going on right now. Okay, so with that said, let's talk about one of the blogs that I wrote that's on my website, Alchemical Wizard 6, Aquaceuticals. Okay, so here are some supplements that come from the sea that will be beneficial in assisting you on your wave ride. Your biological body, your temple, your avatar, this 3D projection. Now the 3D, this whole thing is a photonic projection, is what it is. So they'll say, you're in the matrix. Well, you are actually, because of social conditioning and the belief systems that are put in. So just to have, you can do whatever you want. This is a free will universe. I'm just saying, consider the possibility of throwing out beliefs and throwing out your social conditioning, so that you can self-empower your soul, your spirit, your self-empower yourself and take on these healthy practices and spiritual little practices. And it's not even, doesn't even have to be totally foo-foo, just waking up and doing 5 minutes of like some little guided meditation or something before you go out in the world and start running around with the heads cut off and getting frantic and stuff. Yeah. Just taking that in. Okay, where was I? So when vitamins and supplements, when vitamins and supplements are not produced synthetically, they come from the earth. So it's natural that many of the ingredients will come from the oceans. This is the category called Aquaceuticals. Okay, so fish oil, you got your fish oils, right? You're high in omega-3s and all that. Lately, I've been, because I use a lot of flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds and stuff in my, I make my own muesli, oat, organic cereals and stuff like that, of course, because I'm a health coach. So I do all that. But, oh, and I wanted to say the other day, when I was talking about adaptogenic herbs, I take a supplement. I buy I think I buy the wellness one that's been around forever, and it's packed full of adaptogenic herbs. So, plus I try to find the foods at like the grocery store and the farmer's market to chop up and put in my foods. So back to the fish oils. Lately, I haven't been doing the fish oils. I've been just doing like a cold pressed flaxseed oil. Plus I have like an oil that has like an olive oil, avocado, coconut oils in it that I use once in a while. So, but if you do get fish oil, get like the Norwegian one or something, or you know, I know you have to buy the more expensive brand and stuff, like a cod liver oil, Norwegian cod liver oil or something like that. And okay, that's it for the fish oil. It's got the krill oil too. You can get some of that. It's from the shrimps, but the tiny shrimp, the whales, astroaxanthin, and the phospholipids that help the body's absorption of the omegas. Personally, I get that astroaxanthin from an algae source. So I'm more into the plants, of course, but krill oil is good if you can get that too. These Aquaceuticals, I get mine from like seaweeds and some different algae sources and stuff. So that's where I'm getting it from. Yeah. Okay, oh, seaweeds and sea vegetables, dulce, wakame, cambu, and kelp. I always buy like a kelp iodine too sometimes and put that in my water, you know, because I try to structure my water. And so I add like one of those minerals in it. Let's see here. Oh, they're rich in iodine that support thyroid function. Also helps to reduce inflammation in the joints. And drop some kelp iodine in the water bottle along with your chlorophyll. Okay, let's stop there. Maybe do a second part. Cool. Right on. Yeah. All right. Because I'm trying to make these a little bit shorter. All right. Blessings, everyone, and thank you. And I hope these little videos help you. Okay. Thanks. Bye.